Tia Nyamira Okongo Mugeni otebire Eserekari nebwenerete kwimukira Egetambokero baria bagokora Abaiti ribagari GOAKANA baria basiretiwe n'abamwabo ukona kurwa magacho y'ebunge ya Senate umugeni NIGO amuchiriye kiburaburu cyanegetiwe asensemo ya Kembu kero ky'umukutano ogesiasa bwensemo ya Linda Mwananchi nigagikeire gekorekyo asatebire NIGO baria babwateraniriye negekorekyo bataraimukirwa Egetambokero kende gyonsi nikubona sabire wizara y'oburendi bwime wesonania na kuimukeria baria bagokora kiburaburu Egetambokero keri chiko.
Madam Speaker, the constituency of Nyaribari Church has been represented by prominent sons of Omogusi. We had Nyamweya, we had the late Omanga, we had Simon Nyachai, we had Monda, there was Chris Bichage, then we had Richard Tongi, and now we have Zairi Jianda. And the people of Nyaribari Church were magnanimous, gracious. They have elected Zairi Jianda. He's not from the Omogusi ethnic group, but they have extended grace to him and elected him as their member of parliament. And then you see reports, Madam Speaker, that the same MP is trying to meet violence against the sons and daughters of Omogusi. We are a very welcoming community, Madam Speaker. When Senator Sifuna and his friends visited Kisii, we welcomed them and we wanted them to come, talk to the people of Gusii, and then they leave without any violence, Madam Speaker. And that happened in several places, but when they reached Keumbu, Madam Speaker, they were attacked. And there is every indication, Madam Speaker, that the member of parliament for Nyaribari Church must have been involved in that attack. What is he trying to show the people of Gusii, Madam Speaker? I have seen UDA meetings in Nyamira. I've never thought of planning to go and attack any politician from the UDA political wing, because they have freedom to come and sell their policies to my people. My people know what they will do. They will listen to them, but they know what to do, Madam Speaker. As I speak, we have lost our life. A son of Omogusi died from that violence, Madam Speaker. How shameful can it be, Madam Speaker? How shameful can it be?